Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see the weekly contest. Problem number 1 is, this is the weekly contest 495 and this is the first question. It's very easy. So what the question is saying, that we have given a string which is consist of all the alphabets of the given string, like the English letters, and we have to return the smallest index if it is equal to this. Means the s at I is equal to s at n minus I minus 1. Means smallest index I we have to return. If not, return minus 1. So how we are going to solve this type of problem is, let's suppose that we have given, so you can see this is the exactly what we need to do, right? The logic is that we will use 2-pointer algorithm, but there is a little changes there. Okay, the very first thing is that you have to take the index I. Let's suppose from where you will start. Let's suppose we are talking about this index. This is the given string, right? So the very first pointer you will take at here, another pointer is we will use here, right? Both pointer will use, and then we'll keep checking the value while left is less than right. We do left plus plus and right minus minus. There will be one condition: if left is equal to the right, means the character, both character is found, means we found the match and will return left. Okay, then we'll say, okay, if the pointer meets, return the middle one. So if say left is equal to the right, in that case we will return the left, right? Otherwise we'll return minus 1. So the concept is, we will start from left and right from both sides, right? We'll keep checking the left is less than right. If the character match, will return right. Otherwise we'll keep moving ahead and we'll check if the left is equal to the right, means we'll return that index. Means two things we have to do. In the else condition, we are going inward, right, in from both side, and otherwise if the condition match, will return that index, right, if the character matches. Similarly, if the pointer meets at some position, right, if left is equal to right, in that condition also will return the middle index, and the middle index is nothing but the left one. If all these cases not working, will return minus 1. So this is exactly what we need to do. Okay, so let me do the dry run so you can understand. As you can see here, right, give me 1 second. So as you can see here, right, we have this ABCD string we have given, right, like that we have given a English letter we have given, right? So what exactly it is saying, that let's suppose we have given this string, right, and we'll do the dry run. Okay, so think that the index 1 means we are talking about this B. So this B, it look like how A B C A C B D, like this, right? So here is B, index at 1, because this is index 0 and so on. It will keep like become 2 3 4 and 5. So index B and index 5 and 6, total 7 characters are there. So and index at 1 and at 5, right, both character are same, correct? So in this case, what is this saying, that at index 1 we have S at 1 and S at 5, both are B, right? Means the smallest index is nothing but 1, and so we'll return this index, correct? That is why we are checking that we'll start from here, left will keep here and the right will keep here. Okay, and we'll keep left plus plus and right minus minus. So as you can see, left plus plus and right minus minus we are doing. Then starting position will come at index when the left will come at here and the right will come at here, means left is at 1 and right is at 5, right? Then we will found that both character having the same value, A and B having the same value, right? Sorry, this B and B character both are same value, right? In that case we'll return the left, and left is at where, at 1 now, as you can see here, correct? So we'll return. If this condition is not happening, right, so what we will do, we'll keep going ahead, right? And let's suppose the character are not found. So this part is different character, this part is having the different character. What I'm trying to say, let me show you. So think about, like, we have a given string and the string is nothing but A, B and C, correct? So let's suppose we'll start the left from here and the right from here, correct? So what will happen when left is at 0, 1, 2, when the left is at 0 and right is at 2, the A and B is not meeting, means A and B is not equal. If we'll talk about this, it's not equal to this, correct? Because this is A and this is C. A and C are not equal. If the A not equal to C, it means what? Our left plus plus and right minus minus will move. So both will come at this position. So left and the right both are at where? At 1. Now both are at 1. It means this loop is completed. Once this loop is completed, our pointer will come ahead. Then we'll say, okay, what is the left and right? So both are at same position, 1. Both are at same position, right? This is also 1. In this case, we'll say left is equal to right, return the left, and that answer will also work. In both conditions, this is a little change in the thinking, right? That is why we have to use this concept. We have to also check another condition, this condition. So this is slightly change in our concept of two pointer, and that is why the most people get this wrong, right? The solution, even they are using the correct two pointer approach, and that we have seen in this logic how to fix that, right? So if you are beginner, right, it's fine that you are having given the string and you are applying the two pointers algorithm. So you always place two pointers, one at the beginning and one at the end, and you keep thinking about your goal that we have to move inward, right? Both index left and the right, both we have to think how will you move both inward and this one. So the goal, because the goal is to find the first matching character from both ends, right? And if that will found, will return, otherwise we'll make the another condition, we'll check if both not found. So there will be certain value will be there where both will reach. Okay, so this is what we have, guys. In case if you are struggling with anything, please let me know in the comment section, and that's all I have in this video. Thank you. Not a pen.